Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Night of Olay is probably one of the most popular night creams on the market, promising to firm and lift your skin while you sleep. But does it really live up to the hype? In this video, we'll put it to the test, examining its texture, formula, and overall effectiveness to help you decide if it's the right night cream for your skincare routine. We will explore whether this cream is worth adding to your beauty regimen and what to expect from its use. Number 5. Olay Firming Night Cream. This rich, yet non-greasy cream is designed to work while you sleep, restoring hydration and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It provides up to 48 hours of continuous moisture, so you wake up with softer, smoother skin. Experience the difference a full night's hydration can make. This night cream helps renew your skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving you with a more youthful-looking complexion. Watch fine lines and wrinkles visibly diminish as your skin becomes firmer and more radiant. It's the perfect addition to your nighttime skincare routine. The luxurious formula is rich yet non-greasy, so it won't clog pores. Wake up to healthier, more revitalized skin. With consistent use, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture and tone. It's time to discover the secret to younger-looking skin. What we like. This night cream provides intense hydration, visibly reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It locks in moisture for up to 48 hours, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. If you need long-lasting hydration and want to tackle wrinkles, this is the cream for you. What people say. My face looks more brighter and feeling smooth. The effects on my skin was amazing and left my skin feeling moisturized and looking healthy. It's not sticky or clumpy. It really does tighten up my neck and keep my skin smooth. Number 4. Olay Firm and Lift Night Cream. This rich night cream is specially formulated for women over 40. It's designed to help you wake up to firmer, more lifted skin. The luxurious formula contains macadamia nut oil, which deeply nourishes and strengthens your skin overnight. It works while you sleep to improve your skin's appearance. It's packed with vitamin E and provitamin B5 to support your skin's natural regeneration process. These vitamins help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Wake up to softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. It's a luxurious treat for your skin that delivers visible results. Experience the difference. It leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and incredibly sexy. It's the perfect addition to your nighttime skincare routine. Olay's Firm and Lift Night Cream helps you look and feel your best. Discover the secret to younger-looking skin. What we like. This rich cream is specially formulated for mature skin, nourishing and strengthening it overnight. It supports your skin's natural regeneration process, leaving you with a soft and radiant complexion. If you're 40+ and looking for a luxurious night cream to revitalize your skin, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Its rich, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling smooth and hydrated without any heavy residue. With consistent use, noticeable improvements in skin firmness and elasticity can be seen, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The cream quickly absorbs into the skin and has a very pleasant rose scent. I have been using it for almost a week and it has my skin smooth, glowing, and have noticed a decrease in the depth of 2 deep lines I have around my mouth. Noticeable improvements in 1 week's time. Decreased lines and decreased eye puffiness. Nice feel when applying. Number 3. Olay Night Firming Cream. Experience the rejuvenating power of Olay Night Firming Cream. It's designed to work while you sleep, helping to visibly firm your skin. This rich cream absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple, not heavy or greasy. You'll wake up to a more radiant complexion. With continued use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's firmness and elasticity. It's the perfect addition to your nighttime skincare routine. Olay's advanced formula is packed with powerful ingredients that target the signs of aging. It helps to improve skin tone and texture for a more youthful appearance. This convenient 2-pack provides a generous supply of cream to keep your skin looking and feeling its best for months to come. Enjoy the benefits of this luxurious cream every night. Wake up to firmer, smoother, more radiant skin. It's the secret to a younger-looking you. What we like. This cream firms and hydrates your skin while you sleep, promoting overnight renewal. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your skin's appearance. If you want a straightforward, effective firming night cream, this is a great option. What people say. My face looks more brighter and feeling smooth. The effects on my skin was amazing and left my skin feeling moisturized and looking healthy. It's not sticky or clumpy. It really does tighten up my neck and keep my skin smooth. Number 2. No 7 Restore and Renew Night Cream. This luxurious night cream is designed to revitalize your skin while you sleep. It's formulated with powerful ingredients to target the signs of aging and leave you with a more youthful appearance. It harnesses the power of No 7's clinically proven multi-action serum. This unique formula helps to firm and brighten your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. This rich cream is packed with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and vitamin E. These ingredients work together to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. It's specifically designed to address the needs of both your face and neck. It works in harmony with your skin's natural nighttime repair process. With regular use, you'll notice smoother, plumper-looking skin that feels firmer. It's the perfect final step in your nighttime skincare routine. It pairs perfectly with other products from the Restore and Renew collection. Experience the full benefits of this comprehensive anti-aging system. For over 80 years, No 7 has provided high-quality beauty products at affordable prices. It's more than just skincare, it's about empowering women to feel confident and beautiful. What we like. This cream is packed with collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and other beneficial ingredients to firm and brighten your skin. It targets key signs of aging, leaving your face and neck looking smoother and younger. If you're looking for a comprehensive anti-aging solution, this cream is worth considering. Number 1. Olay Total Effects Night Cream. This rich cream is designed to work its magic while you sleep. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed. It's a light, fast-absorbing formula, so you won't wake up feeling greasy. It penetrates deep to nourish your skin. This cream absorbs quickly into your skin, so you can get right to sleep. You'll wake up to brighter, smoother skin. Apply it at night to lock in the moisturizing and brightening ingredients. It helps your skin repair itself overnight. Wake up to a brighter, smoother complexion. It's formulated with vitamins C and E to help improve your skin's tone and texture. It's packed with vitamins C and E, known for their antioxidant and skin brightening properties. These help to improve your skin's overall health. What we like. This lightweight, fast-absorbing cream brightens and smooths your skin while you sleep. Its light formula won't clog pores, making it suitable for various skin types. If you prefer a light, non-greasy night cream that brightens your complexion, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They are gentle on the skin and I think has kept my skin free of wrinkles and looking younger than my age. If you rub it in properly, it doesn't leave grease on your pillowcases. Feels fresh and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.